All right, welcome back to a charting session. We're gonna get started. After what happened today, I feel like everything that I've been doing in the last charting session, since yesterday, um, I have to rethink now because, well, a bunch of news happened and we're blasting through all these 15 minutes, which I was kind of expecting to use these 15 minutes as a bounce point, not us just destroying through them. So, uh, right now, right now, um, hmm. Right now, right now, I might be feeling a little more bearish. I can't lie. Maybe not like on the daily, but I mean, the daily looks like trash, to be honest. Like the daily looks so bad. But right now, I'm gonna say that we're probably bearish down to this 5 minute gap again. I will mark out this 15 minute because it's possible here is where we get a little bit of support and we see price get held up. Maybe we generate some more buy side up here, bounce out of this gap, get longs again. I wouldn't really say I'm like bearish. But we're just knifing through all of this right now. So if we close below this, I'm definitely bearish down to these lows and down to this 5 minute gap for sure. We also have this 4 minute that I think I'm going to mark out because it's a really nice BPR. M4 BPR. Template. I don't think I'm going to save that as a template. But yeah, so we had some pretty bearish news, and shout out to Trump because I don't want us to be at all-time highs. So if we just start V-shaping through all of this and start taking out these lows, our next bounce spot would be down here. Yeah, honestly, right now, after what happened today, I feel like the market is a little bit clearer to me. Like, I've kind of been like, man, I don't know if we want sell side or buy side, and then we'll just pump buy side and then chop. And I'll be like, man, I don't know if we want sell side or buy side, and then we just pump buy side. But now I feel like the news combined with the way this price action is behaving, I almost want to say that these lows down here are what I'm looking at next. Here and here. So yeah. Looks like we might be putting in this 30-minute order block down, which would be really nice, honestly, but we'll just randomly be bullish and could randomly any of these bearish OBs could easily turn into a breaker, or bearish OBs could turn into a breaker. So I mean, we're still kind of bouncing out of this 15-minute, so that's why I'm going to leave this mark right now, because we keep wicking into it and getting a reaction, wicking in, getting a reaction, wicking, getting a reaction. So I'm going to keep this 15-minute marked out right now for right now. But if we inverse that, my next stop would be these lows down here that lead to this 4-minute BPR, and then there's some equal lows down here. If we blast through this 4-minute, then I'm bearish down to here, and then a little further. So, again, current market conditions, you kind of have to rely on day by day bias because Trump could say one thing and we could be bearish. Trump could say one thing and we could be bullish. So there's really good targets both directions. We got all this buy side, all this buy side, all this, and then all the sell side. So I honestly would expect the rest of the week to be pretty good price action. That's how I'm feeling. What do you guys think of that? Looks like we might be coming down to this low here. But yeah, I think that's essentially it for the charting session. Like, it's crazy how literally the news will just change everything day by day, because yesterday I was like, oh, well, hopefully we come down to this and we can get longs from here. You know, this gap is, we'll probably bounce from here. We'll probably bounce from here. But then one bad news day, and then all of a sudden we're just destroying all of this. Kind of funny. Yeah, I think this is going to continue lower, to be honest. I wouldn't be surprised if this 15-minute gets inversed in the next, I don't know how long, obviously, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Yeah, bullish gaps are definitely getting destroyed right now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the recording there for the charting session anyway, and then we'll see you next time.